I'm Frances Sanko. This is Jetway Innovation Organization. With me, I have my colleagues Yamawa MCC and Mustafa Sanko. Our project is that we are mostly concerned about the community, and with that we find out most of the things that are affecting our community, and air pollution is one of the major problems. Like this dustbin now we are seeing, and we all know that air pollution is the presence of harmful substance or condition in the air, and it is very harmful and poisonous. Through our research, we find out most of the causes of air pollution, like carbon monoxide and agricultural activities. They are problems, but they are not the major ones. But sewage and refuse disposal and smoke leading to air pollution. And most of the consequences of air pollution, they are suffocation leading to slow death. We have reduce of growth and survivability of trees. We have vision problem. Most people are spending the rest of the day in this community, and with this dustbin and smoke, air pollution, they end up losing their sight. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, Frances, for your marvelous presentation. I'm also part of the Jetway Innovation, and good day to everyone. I'm Mustafa Mohammed Sanko. I'm standing in front of you all to talk brief on design challenge and concepting. From the projects given to us, our design challenge is divided into two. We have the end statement and the problem statement. Our end statement, which says the dustbin must be used as decomposing for agricultural activity and thus creating a livelihood for the community residents. And our problem statement is, how might we be able to create a safe environment free from air pollution? As I proceed to concepting, as you can all see, these are the steps and solutions we have to put in place as a means of solving this problem. One of which is that community sensitization, so that people may have the awareness that dumping their waste in the dump sites closer to the community, as you cannot see, they cause a dangerous effect in their life, so they have to abstain from it. And the number two is waste segregation. We have to try by all possible means to segregate this waste. That is, the biodegradable waste should be in a separate dump site, and also the non-degradable waste should be in a separate dump site. And also seeking for help from community council. Community council may have to try by all possible means to help us with trash cans, so that people in the community may drop their waste there, and at the end of the day we'll be having people to make good use of this waste. And also gas extraction is also another major solution we have to put in place as a means of solving this problem, since most of our people in our community engage in cutting of trees for charcoal burning, and does lead to deforestation. But if the methane gas coming from the dustbin is put into proper use, the effects of deforestation will be reduced, since deforestation is air pollution. So as I stop here so that my colleague may further explain more.
I am taking you through the persona and the prototyping. We came here the last time and interviewed a person to know how this dustbin being located in a place where there are so many homes and so many vulnerable people living there, to know how this dustbin is affecting them negatively. And our persona told us that she is the one taking care of the family, like she's the breadwinner of the family, because her husband is paralyzed. And her child died just a few months ago because of malaria. This dustbin being located here is also a breeding place for mosquitoes. So a lot of people are infected with malaria, and her child suffered from malaria. Also, the shop wherein she used to sell, and at the end of the day, the money she gathered here, she used to prepare food for the family, got burnt down because of this dump site, and because of the smoke that comes from this dump site as a result of the burning of the place. So that was what my persona said. And she said that they have also pleaded to council to provide a land for them so that they may relocate this dump site to a more isolated area where again people may not be affected. But council said they have bought the land, but the dump site is yet to be relocated, as we can all see. Now to our prototyping. We are not the first people that are embarking to solve this project, which is air pollution. Council, for instance, have also embarked on this project, and according to them, they bought a land at a more isolated area to relocate the land, the dump site. But as we are seeing, this dump site is still causing problem for people living in this particular area. One, because they did not put laws wherein people may see that, okay, this is a particular law that if I throw that here, this will be done to me. They did not do that. They did not sensitize the people on why they should not throw that here and the harm it will cause to people. They did not do that. And maybe if they would have fenced the place using barricades to stop people from throwing dirt, people would not have been throwing dirt here. As we can see also now, people are throwing dirt here. So our way of sensitizing, of stopping this problem, we want to sensitize people. We want to go door to door telling people about the harm throwing waste in this dump site, and this dump site being located wherein plenty people are living, it will cause to them, so that they will stop. Again, we want to do waste segregation, wherein it can also bring livelihood to the people. That is putting biodegradable waste at one particular place and non-biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste, waste that can rot. And at the end of the day, we want to use that waste as manure, which is way more better than the NPK fertilizer. And again, we want to put the degradable waste at another location, wherein that degradable waste can be used to do recycling, to prepare stuffs that, again, that people can use to their own benefits. And again, we want to plead to council to help us with trash cans, wherein we will do the waste segregation by putting waste that we can use to recycle and waste that we can use to decompose. Again, according to our research, we found out that this place consists of methane gas, which is very poisonous, and it is 20 way more heavier than carbon monoxide, which is very harmful to the human body when inhaled into the system. And that methane gas is also resulting to the smoke that comes out of this dump site. And that methane gas, we want to extract it from this dump site to be putting them and creating lighters and gas cylinders. And again, we know that this project will be sustainable because we have already started doing an experiment here, which will cause the sustainability of the project. Because even after this project, after the funding, we want to go ahead and also prepare Jetway gas cylinders that will help people, will be more easier to cook, and can also reduce deforestation, that is the cutting of trees to make charcoal. It will also reduce deforestation and will help people to do their day-to-day work more easier and more faster. So here is the end of my prototyping.
So we hope after listening to this our hard work, we hope our project will be taken into favorable consideration. Thank you so much.
And we want to tell you people to help us to help the community.